after a senior member of the Minority Council issued a fatwa against singer Sonu Nigam for his comments over Azan, Sonu Nigam has decided to take a bold step. Here are all the details. Ace singer Sonu Nigam has taken the Azan controversy a step ahead. Last evening, Syed Shah Atif Ali Al Quredi, Vice President West Bengal Minority United Council, while talking to a leading newspaper stated, "If anyone can shave his hair, put a garland of old torn shoes around his neck and tour him around the country, I personally announce an award of rupees 10 lakhs for that person." Not the one to take his threat lightly, Sonu Nigam has replied to it, and the reply has shocked us. Just a few minutes back, Sonu Nigam took to his Twitter and said, "Today at 2 p.m, Alim will come to my place and shave my head. Keep your 10 lakhs ready, Maulvi." At the moment, Sonu has also beefed up the security outside his house. Terming Nigam as an anti-national, Qadri said at a press conference, "I would have reacted the same way if one had talked ill about the sound of bells coming from a temple as well. If we all become so intolerant about each other's religions, we will soon have a bunch of atheists in our country. People like Nigam should be driven out of the country. It is a rally to send a message across to people like Nigam and RSS leaders who had recently put up a public meeting at the same place to insult our Prophet. The rally will be attended by people across all faiths." For those who have come in late, a few days back, Sonu Nigam had tweeted, "God bless everyone. I'm not a Muslim and I have to be woken up by the Azan in the morning. When will this forced religiousness end in India?" Post this tweet, Sonu Nigam had been facing constant backlash not just from Twitterati but also from a few industry members like Mika Singh, who reminded Sonu of his Jagrata days in his tweets. Music composer Wajid also condemned Sonu for his stand and posted a tweet. After facing severe criticism yesterday, Sonu came back with a damage control, saying that all he wanted was to put a stop on loudspeakers. "Dear everyone, your stand exposes your own IQ. I stand by my statement that loudspeakers should not be allowed in mosques and temples, period." Well, let's wait till 2 p.m. to see if Sonu really does what he has claimed in his latest tweet.